Hello guys, this is Azhar. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make your job description more attractive. So there is one thing that good job description attract candidate and bad job description repel candidate. So how you can make your job description attractive? You can start your job description after job title. Just start by writing reason to work with this organization. What are the benefits of working with this organization? Like what is the culture, how the culture is attractive, what are the perks. If office is next to seaside, you can write offices next to seaside. Gymming facility available, daycare, flexible working hours, or if you have work from home available, you can write that. Let me take you to the computer screen so that I can show you the example of great job description. So here is an example. So first you will write job title, and then you will write why you should work with us. So this is what I was talking about. I'm giving you example like second and fourth Saturday off, and the company is giving outdoor activities, is doing outdoor activities, and they are giving educational reimbursement, awarded as the best place to work. So these are the attractive point. So what I was telling, that many people make mistake of writing the responsibilities or education after the job title, which will make your job description less attractive. So start by writing the job title, then why you should work with us, then you can write other things. In responsibilities you can write many things, education, skills. So this is the basic format. Why you should work with us, or positive points to work with us, or benefits of working with us. So thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to this recruitment channel so that whenever I'll upload a video you will get notified.